Today, we'll be setting up a Klaviyo workflow to send a letter to Stannp. First, we can find Klaviyo's workflow tool in the Flows section. Here, you can see a list of all of your existing flows. I'm going to create a new flow by pressing the top right button. Klaviyo comes with several pre-built flows. For this example, I'm going to build my own. But once you know how to configure a Stannp webhook, you can add it to any of your existing flows. Before I'm able to configure the Stannp webhook, I first have to select a trigger. In this example, I will select Add it to List and select one of my pre-existing lists. To start configuring the webhook, drag the webhook action over to the workflow. Give the webhook a name and enter the destination URL for sending a Stannp letter. You will need to include your API key here. I will not be including this for this example video. There are no required headers for a Stannp request, but the following section is very important. This is where you need to include the parameters for your send, which specifies the design, who you want to send to, and how you want to send it. I'm going to copy and paste details from one of our knowledge base articles. Currently, this will send the same request over and over again. In order to make this dynamic, I need to use Klaviyo's dynamic property values. An easy way to find these is by clicking the View Profile and Event Properties button. Here, I can click on First Name, which will copy the required variable to my clipboard. I can then paste it into the relevant parameter to make it dynamic. Once you've made every required field dynamic, you can set your flow live.